Hi everyone, I'm Okorimba from Alibo. Today, I'll be sharing with you some dancing moves based on Igbo warriors dance, or some call it Igbo war dance. Igbo war dance is performed exclusively by men to celebrate a war victory. Performers are men who've been off to a war and back with victory. The community will put a feather in their caps and honor them as heroes and the warriors at the village market square. While the elders share the spoils of war, the king will pour out an oblation to God and the gods, thanking them for the war victory. The crowd will gather to shower them with praises, men, women, and the children. And then the stage will be set for the warriors to dance. At the end of this short video, you will learn some great Igbo war dance moves. If you are ready, let's start. Igbo war dance moves is a combination of complex movement of the body, chest, shoulders, arms, and legs. An average performer can combine 4 movements during a dance, while blending of more movements can be seen among skilled dancers. Men use the occasion to show off their strength and stamina in a highly energetic manner, providing a means of judging one's physical and mental health condition. Now, we are going to look at 4 movements and how to combine them. If you are ready, let's go. The first movement is called chest open and close. As a beginner, you put your hands on your hips, you bend your knees slightly, then you raise your heels off the floor. This position will help you maintain your balance while doing the movement. Now we go chest open and close. Chest open and close. You can go faster. Chest open and close. That is the first movement. The second movement is called shoulders hunch up and down. You take the same position, your hands on your hips, your knees slightly bent, then you bend your elbows backward to get a balance. Now, shoulders hunch up and down, up and down, up and down. You can go faster. Shoulders hunch up and down. That is the second movement. The third movement is called arm twisting, front and back. You put your hand at your side, you close them. Now you twist front and back, front and back, front and back. You can open your hands wider like this, front while twisting, front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. You can bring them to your front, front and back, front and back. You can bend your elbows while twisting, front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. That is the third movement. The fourth movement is the dance step, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. While you are moving or dancing faster, the same steps changes. It becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's very easy. That is the fourth movement. We are going to combine these 4 movements to make a warrior's dance. To start the dance, arm twisting front and back, shoulders hunch up and down, chest open and close. Now, I'm going to start with arm twisting front and back. Music.
ife mengu nguji moba oba ji mekoro anje we mi na badu je pu anje dele bia bu sa badu so nde wa no ru no pa wo ko ara jo ho so ya ko ni pa mbeni mbeni kura ara anje be na je anje mo so kuma ru ami anje dele bia bu ti igu to je agma aka bo nwata nwa mi ohun yo ma jo anje anyu kura bo yere ya bo amuduru rabo uru wu figu ango bi uru fuga figu jangbe loba ngbaru tara ngbe loba oyuru bi atika nya ya di mana akwo ya ti na go ya nwata nwa me bayin no ya para nwa ya tu mamo ajuye mo gele ya ti amu nwa do yoke aya ba puta ba le bi ha lotu angutu buma ama ya ku igu agburu ngwara agburu aba gburu turu ya uwere ra mi ya ba atu agbu no da me ko na pe udra no kwa ga taje gburu gbawo ya ko ni kweje matita ro mane ma wa badu taje wo jere bia bu to dun abo ya jidelu wo mo ha bia lo bio wo mo wo mesu mo bia biri ndo ju mo gba we mesu uno bruzo ha wo kura o ba da mesu bia yin ndo biri ya bruzo wo kura unu gba wo ya gbabu to mo le ma ya no ya di mu no be ka je je bi nu ku wa di bo be ka jembe no ga ji ba wa di ya je jembe no je wi bo bi ibu no bu no lu na pa re mo le mo yu bi atita wo je na ya bu ta ho du meji ba han bi atite lu wo na le ni fe bi ale mgbe wo ru sa wara wo je an wari ni wo an pa wa ya ani wa nu ni wo mai ayere wa paribwa woju gba na ye je ma ti ta ndo wo gun wo lele na ye jo ndo wo ku itaro bi oma mo ma so le nda afu mo ebe mo ebu mo wa diwo unu gba wo oi ba galu wala ji la ye du pa le wa la ruwa na wo yoru bi ju mo mo fu gele bu mo wa di ya bi wo tu afu ha di alo bi o oi boda wo ga mo yorubi wo ku gba yo hobia ande ku gba wa ba mo yorubi mba yo ri wa ta wa me ba e mo anwa wa ba mo yorubi o yorubi o yoro hobia yo mo yorubi ate ke eja fa wa nyi robi eze ma tita eja fa wa eze ma no unu gba wo o bu du me je ju ja na bele mi ndogo wa ga bele mi ndogo Come on, below with. I don't know if I'm about young one idea. What do you do, Jarane? What can I be back with you? Come on, Lanika. I don't know which better late. I want to buy what you got down there for. Yeah, you move back. Who would I look at the woman, my God?
Igbo Warriors Dance, and we have just learned some dancing moves and steps. I dedicate this special edition to my Igbo brothers all over the world, especially those who were born in the diaspora. Please practice these dancing moves and steps with your friends. You can form a group in your neck of the woods. Prepare the costume and use it to perform Igbo warriors dance during your cultural activities and end of the year parties. This will be one of your greatest contributions to the preservation of Igbo cultural heritage. Hopefully, I'll be following up with more dancing moves and steps. Until then, like, subscribe, and share. Igbo Kwen!